Minister of Public Telecommunications Catherine Hughes, in her mid-year report, applauded an IDB-facilitated workshop on exponential technologies for providing a great learning opportunity to public and private sector stakeholders. More in this report.
That presentation really opened our eyes as to what could be done. And it was a great learning opportunity to see what's happening in other parts of the world. The thinking is that we don't want each individual to have to go online and do their own research as to where technology is taking us. So we're actually reaching out to Guyanese society and sharing with them where the technology is going and what the possible applications are for Guyanese society.
Minister of Public Telecommunications Catherine Hughes. In June, the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, facilitated 2 specialists to host workshops on exponential technologies. Ministers of government and heads of agencies were made aware of the wealth of information on these new and emerging technologies and how these can be incorporated in the efficient functioning of organizations.
The technology is advancing so rapidly that, for example, there's areas such as digital printing. Digital printing is, as you could imagine, just as you have a printer that can print a letterhead or a letter, digital printing allows you to print in 3 dimensions. So it means that you actually have a printer that could print a house. Imagine that the printer head is different in that it's not just ink, but it could be cement and concrete. And so in exponential technologies, which kind of explains that the changes are not gradual, they're going at a rapid rate. So today you're learning something that can build 10 houses, and in 6 months' time, the technology allows you to print and build, not in 6 months, but in 2 months you can build 40 houses.
Minister Hughes said the one-day workshop, which involved the participation of over 200 stakeholders from the private sector and civil society, yielded positive feedback. For InfoHub, Stacey Carmichael.